Aloha romantic friends! Welcome to Romantic Sense. I am so excited you have found your way to my channel. Today we are bringing you another new soap making video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the like button now and don't forget to tap that bell. Aloha romantic friends! Welcome to today's video. And today we are going to make a soap called Egyptian Musk. If you take a look at the video screen, I will put a picture of the drawing of how I hope Egyptian Musk will look. Now, I'm going to do a new soaping method today. So let's get started. In this bucket, as always, we have all of our natural oils and our goodness already in our soap. We're going to blend everything up. So let's get soaping. End of our video presentation. Here is your romantic question of the day. Number 1, would you rather go sightseeing and look at the pyramids? Or number 2, would you rather spin wheelies in the desert sand? Please let me know which romantic question of the day you prefer. Go ahead and leave a comment under the video below